Hey there, foodies and kitchen enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets and culinary tips. Today, we've got something special in store for you, the ultimate guide to the best vegetable choppers on the market. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook looking to save time in the kitchen, so whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. A 12-in-1 multifunctional vegetable cutter shredder slicer with basket fruit potato chopper carrot grater slicer mandolin is a versatile kitchen tool that can be used to perform a variety of tasks, including chopping vegetables, slicing vegetables, grating vegetables, julienne vegetables, dicing vegetables, cutting potatoes into fries, separating eggs, and more. This type of vegetable cutter typically comes with a variety of interchangeable blades, so you can choose the right blade for the task at hand. Most vegetable cutters also come with a container or basket to collect the cut vegetables, which makes it easy to clean up afterwards. Here are some of the benefits of using a 12-in-1 multifunctional vegetable cutter shredder slicer with basket fruit potato chopper carrot grater slicer mandolin. It saves time and effort in the kitchen. It makes it easy to cut vegetables into uniform pieces. It reduces the risk of injuries, as you don't have to use a knife to cut vegetables. It is easy to clean and store. Overall, a 12-in-1 multifunctional vegetable cutter shredder slicer with basket fruit potato chopper carrot grater slicer mandolin is a valuable tool for any home cook. It can help you to prepare meals more quickly and easily, and it can. Number 4. A 3-in-1 and 5-in-1 multifunctional vegetable slicer cutter chopper grind veget graters shredders fruit kitchen tool. French fry is a versatile kitchen tool that can be used to slice, shred, chop, and grate a variety of vegetables and fruits. It can also be used to make French fries. The tool typically has a variety of interchangeable blades, so you can choose the right blade for the task at hand. It also has a safety feature to prevent you from cutting yourself. Here are some of the benefits of using a 3-in-1 and 5-in-1 multifunctional vegetable slicer cutter chopper grind veget graters shredders fruit kitchen tool. French fry. It is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. It is easy to use and safe. It can save you time and effort when preparing meals. It can help you to eat more fruits and vegetables. Here are some of the ways to use a 3-in-1 and 5-in-1 multifunctional vegetable slicer cutter chopper grind veget graters shredders fruit kitchen tool. French fry. Slice vegetables for salads, sandwiches, and wraps. Shred vegetables for stir fries, soups, and stews. Chop vegetables for salsas, dips, and sauces. Grate vegetables for cheese, zucchini noodles, and potato pancakes. Make French fries for a delicious and healthy side dish. Overall, a 3-in-1 and 5-in-1 multifunctional vegetable slicer cutter chopper grind veget graters shredders fruit kitchen tool. French fry is a useful and convenient kitchen tool that can help you to prepare meals more easily and efficiently. Number 3. Olmechmo 11-in-1 vegetable chopper fruit slicer mandolin slicer cutter with drain basket potato onion chopper dicer KC0430. The Olmechmo 11-in-1 vegetable chopper fruit slicer mandolin slicer cutter with drain basket potato onion chopper dicer KC0430 is a kitchen tool that can be used to chop, slice, dice, and grate a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other foods. It comes with 7 interchangeable stainless steel blades, a drain basket, an egg separator, a peeler, and a handguard. The blades are sharp and durable, and they can be used to cut food into a variety of shapes and sizes. The drain basket is convenient for washing and draining food, and the egg separator can be used to separate egg yolks from egg whites. The peeler can be used to peel potatoes, apples, and other fruits and vegetables, and the hand guard helps to protect your fingers from the blades. The Olmechmo 11-in-1 vegetable chopper is easy to use and clean. To use it, simply choose the desired blade and attach it to the chopper. Then, place the food in the chopper and press down on the handle to chop it. The chopped food will fall into the drain basket below. To clean the chopper, simply disassemble it and wash all of the parts with soap and water. The blades are dishwasher safe, but it is recommended to hand wash the other parts to prolong their lifespan. The Ulmechma 11-in-1 vegetable chopper is a versatile and convenient kitchen tool that can save you time and effort in the kitchen. It is perfect for people who love to cook. Number 2, 12-in-1 multifunction vegetable chopper. Carrots, potatoes, manually cut, shred, slicer, radish grater. Kitchen tools. Vegetable cutter. A 12-in-1 multifunction vegetable chopper is a versatile kitchen tool that can be used to chop, slice, dice, grate, and shred a variety of vegetables, fruits, and other foods. It typically comes with a set of interchangeable blades that can be used to perform different tasks. Some of the common features of a 12-in-1 multifunction vegetable chopper include a variety of interchangeable blades, such as chopping blades, slicing blades, dicing blades, grating blades, and shredding blades. A container for collecting the chopped food. A safety guard to protect your fingers from the blades. A non-slip base for stability. To use a 12-in-1 multifunction vegetable chopper, simply select the desired blade and attach it to the chopper. Then, place the food in the container and chop, slice, dice, grate, or shred by pressing down on the lid. Here are some examples of the types of vegetables and fruits that can be chopped, sliced, diced, grated, and shredded with a 12-in-1 multifunction vegetable chopper. Carrots, potatoes, radishes, onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, zucchini, apples, pears, bananas, cheese, nuts. 12-in-1 multifunction vegetable choppers can be a great way to save time and effort in the kitchen. They are also relatively inexpensive and easy to use. Here are some tips for using a 12-in-1 multifunction vegetable chopper safely and effectively. Always read the manufacturer's instructions carefully before using the chopper. Select the appropriate blade for the task at hand. Be careful not to overfill the container. Use the safety guard to protect your fingers. Clean the chopper thoroughly after each use. With proper care and use, a 12-in-1 multifunction